Hi, I'm Aaron Steil from Gardening with Steil on Iowa PBS. Here's what you need to know about pruning shrubs. Deciduous shrubs come in a couple different growth habits. Some are multi-stemmed with many branches sprouting from the base, like red-twig dogwood, lilac, and spirea. These shrubs are often best to prune individual stems down to the base of the plant. Other shrubs have more structured or architectural branching pattern, like witch hazel, burning bush, and panicle hydrangeas. These shrubs are often best pruned by removing individual branches back to their point of origin. Either way, the pruning is done to either change the shape or size of the plant, remove broken, diseased, or damaged stems, or promote better flowering, fruiting, or foliage color. One method of pruning is called rejuvenation pruning. This is where you remove no more than 1/3 of the branches to change the size and shape of the plant or to promote new growth. Some shrubs, especially those multi-stem shrubs with many branches sprouting from the base, respond well to renewal pruning. This is where you cut the entire shrub back to within a few inches of the ground and the plant resprouts from the base. Shrubs like spirea, barberry, potentilla, and ninebark respond very well to this type of pruning. The late winter, early spring, which is March to early April in Iowa, is the best time to do pruning on most deciduous shrubs. However, those shrubs that bloom in early spring, things like lilac and forsythia, can be pruned immediately after flowering so you can enjoy as many blooms as possible. Thank you for joining me with this gardening tip on Gardening with Steil.